How to check bus time in Google Map. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Google Map and log into your account. Then search the destination you want to go to. Then click on direction and choose start location. After that, you'll find these three options. The middle one is bus. You'll find if any bus route is available. As you can see, can't seem to find a way there. There is no any bus route, but if there was bus route available, it would show you in here. That's how you check bus time in Google Map. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.